Now, this question is from Maxima Minima from JEE Mains February 25th, 2021. Okay? Read out the problem. F of x is a polynomial of degree 6 in which the coefficient of x power 6 is unity and it has extrema at x is equals to -1 and x is equals to 1 along with this restriction. Okay? Already we have this type of problem in 2020 as well in 2019 paper also. Okay? Since f of x is a polynomial of degree 6, you just let that f of x as something like a x power 6 plus b x power 5 plus c x power 4 plus d x cube plus e x square plus fx plus g. Usually it contains 7 terms. Okay? If you are very confident about these given restrictions, so no need to write all these things, but just I am mentioning. Okay. Now I need to fix the values of these coefficients a, b, c, d, e, f, g. As they are giving coefficient of x power 6 is 1, you just fix this value of a is equals to 1. Okay. And the next thing, limit x tends to 0, f of x by x cube is equals to 1. You just pay attention on that. Okay. So simply if you divide this total polynomial with x cube, the result is 1. Okay. If you divide this total polynomial with x cube, g by x cube as extending to 0 leads to infinity. F of x by x cube also leads to infinity. Ex square by x cube means e by x. As extends to infinity gives us infinity. As extends to 0 gives us infinity. But since the limit value is constant, finite value, so you need to neglect all these things. Okay. So by neglecting all these things, you need to make e is equals to, f is equals to, g is equals to 0. Otherwise, if they are not 0, then this limit is infinite, but limit is a finite, so all these values are zeros. And now when you divide this polynomial, okay, this part of the polynomial with x cube, and then as extending to 0, these three terms will become 0. Just think about it. Divide everything with x cube. If you divide everything with x cube, ax cube, bx square, cx, and this is a constant d. And since we are dividing with x cube, as extending to 0, these three will become 0, but you left with this constant, and that constant is the limit value 1. So d is also 1. So if you analyze problem clearly, then a is 1, d is 1, and all the other things are zeros. So you have f of x is equals to x power 6 plus b x power 5 plus c x power 4 plus dx cube. That's it. This is f of x. Okay. We need what? 5 into f of 2. That's other thing. And now extrema at -1 and 1. That means -1 and 1 are the roots of derivative of f of x. So you just write its derivative. F dash of x is equals to 6x power 5 plus 5b x power 4 plus 4c x cube plus, since d is 1, this is x cube. Okay. So plus 3x square. Now since it has extrema at -1 and 1, so f dash of -1 is 0, f of 1 is also f dash of 1 is also 0. Since f dash of -1 is equals to 0 is equals to f of 1, use this to find the values of bc. Replace x with -1. If you replace x with -1, what will happen? -6 plus 5b minus 4c plus 3 is equals to 0. Now replace x with 1. This time 6 plus 5b plus 4c plus 3 is equals to 0. You just add this. If you add, these two gets cancelled, these two gets cancelled. Yeah. 10b plus 3 is equals to 0. 10b plus 6 is equals to 0. From there, b is equals to -3 by 5. Use that b is equals to -3 by 5 to get the value of c. Okay. B is -3 by 5. Right. So 5b is -3. Use here 5b with -3. Then -6 -3 -4c plus 3 is equals to 0. These two will get cancelled. Yeah. C is equals to -6 by 4, that is equals to -3 by 2. And then we have B value, C value. and finally polynomial f of x is nothing but a x power 6. A is 1 x power 6, b is minus 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5 x power 5, c is minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 x power 4 plus x cube. This is f of x. Our target is to calculate 5 into f of 2. Now replace x with 2 and then calculate the value. Your answer at the end for this problem is 144. It is very simple. You just replace x with 2 and then simplify. At the end you get your answer as 144. That's the problem. Okay, have a look. So this problem again needs concept of limit, concept of polynomial along with the concept of extrema. Next question from mains February 2021, February 26th question. Okay, see we have only 2 questions in February session papers related to maxima and minima. Okay, see the triangle of maximum area that can be inscribed in a given circle of radius r. Already we did this type of problems in our regular class. Now no need to do it completely. Okay, you just analyze the situation. Okay, so take a circle and a triangle is inscribed in it, and we need to make the area of the triangle as maximum. By symmetry we conclude that the triangle is equilateral. Why the triangle is equilateral? All this we did in our regular class. Okay, and now it is enough. The triangle is equilateral. Since triangle is equilateral, what to say about the area in terms of radius? See, for suppose if this is the center of the circle, this is radius, and this point is the centroid of the triangle, and since it is equilateral, you just calculate the height of this, and from there what area. Okay, so we know that this part centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1 or height in the ratio 2:1. So okay, so from this 2/3 of the height is equals to radius, and height is equals to 3r by 2. Since height is equals to 3r by 2, what to say about the area? Area is equals to what actually? Area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square, and that is equals to 1 by 2 into a into root 3 by 2a. We are familiar with this. 1 by 2 into a into h. This root 3 by 2a is h. Since it is h, what is a? A is 2h by root 3. So 1 by 2 into 2h by root 3 into h. If you cancel out, you left with h square by root 3. Okay, but what is h square? H is 3r by 2. Square it. That is equals to 9 r square by 4 root. You just try to simplify this, and at the end this is our area. Okay, so for these type of problems, no need to solve it completely using the concept of maxima minima. You just try to memorize it. If you inscribe a triangle in a circle, the triangle area is maximum if it is equilateral, and if it is equilateral, we will calculate area in this way, or you just memorize this area, no problem. Okay, so if you simplify it, you will get it as 3 root 3 r square by 4 is the maximum area. Okay, that's the problem. This is another question related to maximum minimum from February mains 2021.